Ready to unleash the power of AI in your 3D modeling journey? Buckle up because today I'm about to show you how to generate jaw-dropping 3D models in just a minute. Ready for printing. It's fast, futuristic, and it's going to blow your mind. But before we dive in, hit the subscribe button, smash the like if you're ready for this tech revolution. The tool we're going to use to create stunning 3D models with AI is called Meshy AI. This is a really incredible tool that you can use to create 3D models from text. You can also do images to 3D models. Also, Meshy AI has an AI texturing tool that allows artists to choose either text prompt or 2D concept art. So this is a fast and superb and user-friendly tool that you can use to create incredible 3D models. Here are a couple of 3D model showcase that have been created using Meshy AI. Now, to start creating your own stunning 3D models, click on Try Meshy for free. You'll be redirected over here where it will ask you to create an account. After creating an account, you'll be redirected to its dashboard, which will look like this. Now, you will receive 200 credits every single day. Now, let us try creating 3D models from text. Now, to create 3D models from text, you will need to write a prompt over here so you can create a 3D model. Now let us try and write a prompt over here. Meshy has just generated the 3D models of 4 bears. Let us take a look at the bears. They look pretty cool. Let's preview the second one. Okay, looks pretty nice. Let us preview the third one. Wow, looks really nice. And let us preview the last one. Looks pretty nice. One other feature that Meshy AI has is being able to refine your 3D model. To refine a 3D model, hover over the 3D model you would like to refine. You will see down below the option of refining. It's going to cost you 20 credits. If this is something you would like to do on Meshy, you can choose to refine over here. Our 3D model is being refined over here. So let us wait for Meshy to complete refining our 3D model. Now you can see that Meshy AI has refined our 3D model. Let us preview it. So this is a quick preview of our 3D model that has been refined using Meshy AI. 3D model looks really good. If you would like to download the defined 3D model, come over here where it says download and click on it, and you can choose the format in which you want to download the 3D model. So you can choose all the different formats over here. Then if you're satisfied, you can click on download, and then it will cost you 20 credits. So if you wish to proceed, just click on download. The 3D model will be downloaded on our computer. Now, using 3D viewer, we can be able to take a look at the 3D model that we just downloaded from Meshy. It looks really great. Now I've showed you how to create 3D model from a prompt. The next thing I'll show you how to create a 3D model from a 2D image. On your left, click on image to 3D, give it a name over here, and then below it you can drag and drop an image you would like to convert to 3D model. After the image done uploading, we can click on generate to generate a 3D model of our image. Meshy AI just created our 3D model of our image that we just uploaded. Let us preview it. Now to download it, just click on download over here, and it will be downloaded on our computer. And here is the 3D model that we just downloaded from Meshy AI. Here's how it looks on the 3D viewer. It looks pretty cool. The last thing that I wanted to show you, it's AI texturing using Meshy AI. Now to do that, click on AI texturing, name our object as Abia. Our style, we can say highest quality. Negative prompt, we can say red. Art style, we're going to say realistic. And then over here, we're going to click on new project and give our project a name and say Abia. And then over here, we're going to upload the model of the bear that we downloaded previously. So upload it. The model upload is successful. Now click on create project. Now this is the bear that we uploaded. Look at how it looks. Now, after you're done, you can come over here and describe the style that you want. And then choose art style that you want. So then when you're done, click on generate. That Meshy AI just generated a textured model. So let us preview it. Wow, this is really, really incredible. To download it, just click on download over here. So this is how you can texture any model using Meshy AI. The 3D model of the textured image that we just downloaded from Meshy AI. Now here's where we can be able to preview it using our Microsoft 3D viewer. But this looks really, really perfect. And that's a wrap, folks. If you're as hyped as I am about the 3D revolution, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's keep pushing the boundaries together. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll catch you in the next mind-blowing video. Until then, happy creating, happy printing.